am just adding a little bit of shading, so minute, right around the pupils of her eyes. So minute. But it's there. Over here. Did you see that? That was spit. It's just a little bit of shading right there. I think the next time I do a face, I'm going to show you how to shade with pencil. La, la, la. I'm going to leave those white, and so let's take, I just don't know if I'm done or not. Okay, let's take a look, because I intended for this to be a companion page. And this is mellowed out, same colors, and this is very bright. So I think I am going to calm down these really bright areas. And how do you do that, Annie? Well, we are going to take the brown, the spice brown. I think we'll wet a Q-tip and grab some of that, wipe it down, and just go into these, all the areas. I'm going to go into all of the areas. So I'm not really painting, I'm just kind of dabbing in there. And you want the color to be watery. Now, you can see, like I did it here, and I did it on the red. The red, well, I did another layer. It just calms things down. So if you want to calm yours down, this is what you do. I will do it over here on the yellow, and you can see for sure how it calms down. There. So here it is calmed down, and over here it's not, but we'll calm that down now. Just so you can see the differences. Now I think she is going to be more coordinated with her pumpkin neighbor. So let me finish that, and then I will come back. So I toned her all down, and I even went into these white spots. They were just too stark. So I like the way she looks. She matches her neighbor. And I have one more thing to add to her.